Morning. The pendulum, that is investors' mind, swung back yesterday. So after a bearish session on Monday, Tuesday, investors bought equity, supported by positive earning and the idea that some of the business activity resembled or approached pre-pandemic level. The 10-year yield, though, remains constrained, suggesting that bond traders on their side still hold concerns about the economy. Now, Bitcoin did not follow equities higher and continued to fall below the 40K resistance, down almost 2% on the session at about 38,500. Now the candle looks interesting though, with equally long wicks at the top and bottom, suggesting a potential narrowing or settling in at this level. The Bitcoin dominance is flat today, so alts have been, broadly speaking, matching Bitcoin's retracement. Among the outperformers though, Luna always gained about 17% and also block stacks rose 7%. Otherwise, most coins are flat or slightly down. Now the dynamic I'm looking at these days is based on two charts, the exchange's reserves and the hodl wave. On one hand, you can see decreasing amounts of Bitcoin on exchanges, which is good. It means people are planning to hold. And on the other hand, you have long-term holders growing, suggesting that the base of people who are not selling is bigger than in previous cycles. I personally interpret that as the involvement of institutions and also the understanding of other participants of that involvement. So there's been serious players coming in with large capital and only so many coins to go around. So current holders are probably wary of parting with the ones that they have, the coins they have. Away from Bitcoin and onto ETH, an interesting chart from Crypto Quant showed the amount of Ether being staked and therefore alleviating the selling pressure for exchange traders. And so it seems that while prices were falling, more coins were nonetheless being deposited, giving a clearer way for buyers to push prices up. Now back to the news and short-term factors. Yesterday we heard of Senator Gensler reaching out to the SEC to broaden the regulations of crypto, including lending and DeFi, which on the short term is definitely a bearish thing. Lastly, we heard more from MicroStrategy. In a recent interview where Saylor commented, "We continue to be pleased by the results of the implementation of our digital asset strategies, and going forward we intend to continue to deploy additional capital." That's more bullish. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.